All right, now that we've got our chili onto our grill here and our spicy Italian sausage, I'm just coming in with my green, red, bell peppers and my diced onion. All right, I'm just adding my cooked pasta on here. You want it to be al dente, so it's not coming on too strong to begin with. Just get that right off on there. Ooh, it smells amazing, y'all. This is smelling so good. Wow. We got that beautiful meat there. Now I'm just gonna add in some salt just on top of all these vegetables, on top of our meat, on top of our pasta. Perfect. A little bit of cracked black pepper. And this is so fun, y'all. It's an Italian night at our house, and you can tell because we have the Italian colors. I'm gonna do a little bit of crushed red pepper because I like spicy, as you might be able to tell. Some Italian seasoning. Yum. This is looking so good, y'all. I can't wait for you to see how this comes out. It's super yummy. All right, I'm just giving a little puncture to my pan so I can release my chili. Look how gorgeous that looks. Oh my God. And if you haven't had chili with your spaghetti, you are missing out. All right, I'm just gonna add one more ingredient, but first, I'm just gonna do a little breaking up of this sausage with my handy dandy meat slicer sausagey tool here. This is great with ground beef as well. Oh, this is looking perfect, y'all. This is gonna be such a yummy, easy dinner. Perfect for a barbecue. You're having a lot of people over. You cannot go wrong with this delicious Italian meal, y'all. And you don't have to use the hot sausage like I did. You can always use the mild. You can use a non-Italian flavored sausage. Do whatever suits you and your group. Of course, we can't have spaghetti without our sauce. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. I just got the ragu because I really like it. It's meat flavored. Now the fun of this Kababichi grill is just using these little Kababichi tossers. Toss, mix everything in your grill here in the Blackstone. Y'all, this is my first summer having a Blackstone and I am just obsessed with it. I feel like a real chef, just like when you go to the restaurant and they flick the food, it lands in your mouth. But it is just so inspiring to me. It's made me think of a lot of brand new, exciting recipes that I cannot wait to share with you all. And like I said, this is a perfect way to feed a big group, feed your family. Everyone likes spaghetti. Everyone likes Italian. And did you know you can make it outside? It's amazing. Perfect for summer. Now, of course, you can't have spaghetti or anything Italian without cheese. So I have got this 2-pound bag of mozzarella here. And I am just going to start getting this broken up and spread on here. Wow, we could have maybe even done 2-pound bags. I'm just gonna break up these clumpies with my hands, spread this out. Oh my God, y'all, this smells so good. I might have had a little preview taste off of my finger, but I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be so tasty. Alrighty, I'm just gonna close my lid on the Blackstone here and we're gonna leave this for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. We had our Blackstone cooking here for about 15 minutes. Look at this gorgeous melted cheese. We've got our spicy Italian sausage in there. We've got bell peppers, onions, chili, spaghetti. All the makings for a great meal. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna get, let me see. I gotta get my plate. You know what I'm gonna do? Grab one Kababichi and then pull this up. Oh, look at that. I bet that is just like your Italian grandmother used to make. Yum! Oh my God, so good. Ooh, I cannot wait, y'all. This is a perfect thing for the summer Italian cookout. Oh, Mmm. Oh my God. Without chili, forget about it. You gotta try it.